What if you had the one opportunity to not only transform your health, but also secure a financial legacy that impacts generations? Imagine not just witnessing history, but leading it. Standing at the forefront of a global e-commerce revolution, ready to create massive wealth and leave an unforgettable impact. This isn't just another chance. This is your call to seize the moment. Welcome to the unstoppable force of Shoply. Hey, I'm Adrian Guskine, and today I'm not just here to share an opportunity. I'm calling out to leaders and entrepreneurs who are ready to make massive waves. If you're prepared to elevate your lifestyle, explode your health, and build generational wealth with speed and passion, then listen up, because this is your chance to be at the top of it all. Shoply is more than just an e-commerce platform. It's a global powerhouse designed for the elite who are ready to take action. And when you pair this revolutionary platform with the health-changing power of Stellamere, you're not just looking at another product, you're holding the key to an unstoppable empire. This is about locking arms with the world's top marketing leaders. Together, we move with speed, power, and precision. Our goal? To duplicate and scale faster than ever before. We are the brutal, unstoppable force in decentralized e-commerce, the elite. And we're looking for those ready to build, lead, and conquer. So why is Shoply different? It's about timing and taking the lead now. Shoply's decentralized model not only lets you sell products, but empowers you to build a global network that explodes your influence and impact. And as your network grows, so does your income stream, not just from your efforts, but from a sustainable, passive global pool. This is how we dominate the space. And at the core of it all is Stellamere, the crown jewel. More than a supplement, it's a health powerhouse that's changing lives. Imagine boosting your skin health, supercharging your immunity, and feeling youthful and energetic like never before. This isn't just a product, it's the key to better aging. Developed by a world leader who's created over $2 billion in sales and changed millions of lives. Imagine holding a product you're proud to share with the world. A product that becomes the heartbeat of a global health revolution. That's the power you'll have. Shoply isn't just a platform. It's a business empire, a movement, and a family. You'll have world-class training, access to top leaders, and a suite of resources to explode your business globally. This is your chance to lead with speed, passion, and a burning desire to change lives. If you're searching for a place to scale your business, create a legacy of health and wealth, and be part of something that will impact generations, then your time is now. Try Stellamere. Experience the benefits for yourself and bring that life-changing power to everyone you know. Timestamp your position on the Shoply Global Matrix. Become the leader this movement needs. Comment "Invite" below to secure your place in this unbelievable opportunity. And join the elite force driving Shoply to global success. The world is ready for you. So is your success story. Don't wait. History is being written, and you're meant to be at the forefront. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to be part of this game-changing revolution, and head to the description now to uncover the opportunity that will blow your mind and change your life and the world forever.